Hello everyone. So thank you for choosing our Fastform 3D printer. Right now I would like to introduce how to install our printer. So here, you will prepare our printer, water chiller, nitrogen generator, and the small pump. Okay. Firstly, we have to watch the pipes. One to the chiller. This says from inlet, so we will go to the chiller outlet. And the second is the outlet to the chiller inlet. Okay. Also, there's the power cables. This one to the printer. Okay. And this one to the chiller. Okay. And here to the chiller here. Okay. And we have left two pipes. One is the nitrogen input, another one is output. So what about the output one? So we need to prepare a bottled water. Okay, so the last one we put into the water. So it's just about 1 millimeter. Okay, it's underwater 1 millimeter. That's it. So the last we will prepare the last one. Okay, you will have the valve. You see the arrow here to the printer. Another side here. So another side, this one here, and then this one to the nitrogen generator. So we open the nitrogen generator. There's two bottles here. Okay. So one has two connections. Okay. You have two connectors. The pipe, one from this one, the air inside. Okay, the air inlet. Okay, first another side to the pump. Here to the pump. Okay, you got it. And this one, only one connector. This one to the nitrogen first one. Okay, this one here. Okay, so other side, remember we have to go to the printer, so that's it, connected. Okay, now we have done everything, and then you need to add the water to the chiller. So this one already added the water, so this is the port. You open it, okay, and add water. So there's a level here. Okay, after you added them enough water here, up to the green, around the green, above to yellow. Okay, so and then you can turn on the nitrogen generator and the pump. So let's connect the power. Okay, and then you turn on the pump first. So this is the pump. Okay, and then also open this, and this switch must be on. Okay, and then we just wait until the nitrogen generator up to the 99.99. So above 99.9, it can be work. It can be reused. It can be ready to use. Okay, let's just wait until you get 999. So when you see the numbers go up is slow, so you can turn on the here, the black switch. You turn it on. Okay, turn it on, and you will see the numbers is going up very quickly. And also meanwhile you check the pump. There's a pump here, switch. There's a join switch. So every 2 or 3 days you turn it on and take the waters come out. So right now we will wait until it get up to 99.9. So right now we are waiting for the nitrogen generator up to the 99.9. So then it's ready for using the printer. Also meanwhile you can close the black switch. Okay, and also the press ball is around 4 to 5. Okay, around 4 to 5.